Artificial intelligence is a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, but how and where data is processed defines system performance. Edge AI and cloud computing represent two different approaches to data management, each with unique advantages. Edge AI software operates directly on devices instead of relying on remote cloud servers. In this model, algorithms and machine learning functions run on computers or controllers in the same place as the machines they monitor. Edge computing brings AI directly to the production floor. Data from sensors, cameras, and control systems is analyzed on embedded computers. This enables real-time decision-making for quality control, predictive maintenance, and robotic control. It also ensures that computer-reliant operations continue if internet connection is lost. Cloud processing centralizes information from multiple facilities for large-scale analytics, machine learning model training, and enterprise resource planning. It offers virtually unlimited computational power and long-term data storage, but relies on stable, high-bandwidth connections. In summary, Edge AI ensures immediate, local intelligence for fast reactions on the factory floor, while cloud systems provide global visibility and continuous optimization across the enterprise.